Good morning, guys. Yeah, it is now 7:04. I'm ready to go out, but I'm having a second thought. Yeah, I want to go bike around, like a exercise for me. But I feel that it is very cold outside when I'm on my bike, when I'm running. The temperature is less than 20 degrees. Let's check. Yeah, as you can see, it is 15 degrees. Or maybe I just do the exercise here inside the house. I have another helmet. This one is the green one. This is free with the bike that I have. The other one. Look at this. This one is yeah, the same color. This and this. Okay, I'm decided. I'm not going anywhere. I just will play the music and we will do some exercise here. I forget. I have coffee here. Yeah, because I'm supposed to go to bike around, but I changed my mind. Decided to stay. I already made a copy for the bike, but it is already the second because I had that 5 o'clock, 6, 7, 8. It's all right. As you can see, this the banana bread that I made yesterday. So this is like a muffin. Yeah, it's now 1:25. I'm going to sleep first. I already finished one vlog and I'm now feeling sleepy. Yeah, I didn't really sleep. It's already 2:35. I'm going to eat. I'm going to cook something. I don't know yet. Yeah, I'm making anything vegetable. So I put there oil, garlic, onion, beans. Then I'm going to add this tomato and eggplant. Soy sauce. Yeah, I don't know what is this. Maybe we call it pakbit. I'm not sure. Well, I like the taste. I mentioned yesterday that this is my last rice, right? Maybe I go to the grocery later. I'm not sure. Maybe tomorrow. Yeah, these are just soy and mixed vegetable. Yo, good morning, guys. I don't know if you've seen this already, but this is Oh wait, the other way. Yeah, this towel is really good. It's Armani Hotel Dubai. I have this towel for maybe 2013 or 2012. Yeah, something like that. Because every year, every Christmas, they are giving us a gift. Like on our first Christmas party, they give us a watch. The original Armani watch. Yeah, the one that I got is for lady, so I gave it to my sister. It's original Armani watch. And some other guys, yeah, original Armani products. And we're going to have a coffee. I didn't wash this last night. I'm going to wash it now. Actually, I'm going to make a coffee with this. There's so many birds in there. Yeah, those birds are kind of parrots. They're just everywhere around here. Yeah, we are going to bike around and then we're going to the grocery after. The grocery open at 7 o'clock. The time now is 6:15. But from 7 o'clock maybe until 8 o'clock is just for the frontliners. Yeah, so we wait until 8 o'clock. We'll be biking around. Look at that, beautiful. So if you can see that, they covered it so not people will stay there. This seems like the children's playground, and this outdoor gym also not allowed to get in. Good morning. Ah, my dear. Thank you. Wishing there would be how I'm gonna get back home. It's just so good to be singing along while in the bike. Relax. Look, those people, they are fishing. I think they are observing the social distancing. The last time that I went this way, there is one guy, he's in his house, and then he stopped me, asked something about this bike. We had a little conversation. Yeah, he said that he's also a cyclist and been driving around. This road, they repaired it. Before it was a rocky road, and now it's looks like a modern town. Yeah, it's a father and son. They are biking. Nice. And you know what? All the people that I've seen along the way, I give a little space and then I do greet them. Yeah, it's all of them smiles. Yeah, really nice. Probably if I don't greet them, they will not smile or they will not greet me. Yeah, greetings gives good morning. Even bad people, if you greet them, they will be happy. They will smile. I believe that bad people, if you are nice to those bad people, they will also be nice to you. You know, I feel that in with yeah, with my experience. Oh, they leave the bike here. No one is going to take this bike. Many people in there, so we wait a little bit. We let them go through first. I feel like it is good to take picture of this one. Hey, there's one guy swimming. Nice. Okay, we go. People are swimming down there, and this guy is doing his office work. Breakfast. Nice. Okay, we're now heading to the grocery. It is now 7:59, so we can go now to the grocery. I just took a shower and now I'm hungry. I got only this kind of rice in the grocery. This is just 1 kilo. So what I'm going to do is to mix it with this brown rice. I don't like brown rice because they are hard. So in the grocery I bought the rice, sanitizer, a cheese, this egg, and these noodles. Yeah. And this whole chicken, roast chicken. It's $9. I already ate the wings. I'm going to take this out. Yeah, that's the whole chicken. You know, some of this will go to the freezer. This looks too much. Now I'm going to put this yeah, this is supposed to be a banana bread, but I put in this kind of molder instead of the proper banana bread molder. Yeah, in case you don't know, I also have a website. It's called abrodero.com, and at the moment I am writing a blog. It is now 10 minutes to 4 o'clock. I have my laundry outside. I forgot to put that outside earlier. I finished that actually, yeah, when I arrive at home, coming from outside around 8-9 o'clock. And I realized just by 3 o'clock. So I put it outside. I hope it's going to be dry. Yeah, I'm now preparing my, this is going to be my dinner. Yeah, this is the longanisa. Yes, it is longanisa. I just made it flat like this so that it is easy to cook. Oh, we also cook some egg. Wow, look at this. Yeah. Yeah, this is tuna. Sorry. I'm going to fry some of this. So this is my dinner. We called it long silog. This is longanisa. This is itlog. This is sinangag. Long, si, log.